This is David, leader of Cicada. We now have some very disturbing news. We have no idea how accurate the information is. We trust it completely from the source. I have calmed down for now, but we believe that life is sacred, that there is never one correct solution for life itself. You have heard my speeches. It is what we forgot about the 10 Commandments. They are harsh, but true, and we live by those rules. Joe Biden is taking those laws into his own hands and pretending to be God. When being president, he cannot command with complete power. That is a form of insanity. It has to be confronted. Our first command is to save lives, and everyone has the opportunity to live. These people are too scared to do it themselves due to the power of corrupt individuals like Donald and Joe is. To order General Penn's men to mutiny and take over. It is not really mutiny, but the generals agreeing to those terms. They promised not only to me, but to the United States, that if this gets out of hand, that they will stop it right then and there. We have written statements of that with CNN. We urge the troops to arrest Joe Biden and Donald Trump before civil war breaks out, which it will. The second order we have is that the Proud Boys do it. You heard how angry I got yesterday. I am opposed to this kind of thing, but it's our last resort. We give control to them to take over. To the Proud Boys, we like showing your strength and power. Do this in the military, Cicada, to support your every decision, as long as it's done peaceably with as little violence as possible. Third, you have heard about our treasure huts, and our last request was at Lake and Skokie in Wilmette. A lot of people came out, and the Wilmette Police Department was in an uproar and did not know how to handle it. They understand the power of Cicada. They bow down to our knees to us and ask for help and mercy. Cicada now has control over the Wilmette Police Department. Since that incident, the Evanston Police Department has joined in. We are going to slowly now take over each police department, and we urge each community to join forces with us before it is too late. So if Joe issues martial law, it will not do either Donald or Joe any good, because no one will listen. It is not right for any president to force anyone to die, no matter what the situation is. Did Joe take his shot for anyone in Congress? I do not think so. And the reason is that you can die from the vaccine as easily as you can die from the virus. Furthermore, we are happy to announce that the Wilmette Police Department and the Evanston Police Department are now with us. We are going to announce another challenge like the last one. However, it will be slightly different. The Evanston Police Department now has all data in our car and our computer. If you surrender yourself to the police department and spend a week in jail and confess to all your crimes, they will release you to us. You will be able to drive our car and learn all the secrets. We will show you the technology of our computers. You also have the ability to do any destruction you want, as long as it's reasonable to do so. You will become a member of Cicada with a nice salary. This is the yellow envelope. As you see here, you will be putting $20,000 as a down payment as assignments to help combat crime. In addition, you will be given information on how to contact our leaders, along with addresses of beautiful women like Melania and phone numbers. They will be eagerly awaiting your arrival. We will be putting this envelope with the information in it in hundreds of garbage cans in Illinois. We might be putting them in normal household garbage cans or places like the stationary guys you see at every corner in front of businesses. We may also put them on the grounds of the police departments or inside one of the police cars. Good luck, gentlemen. Please do this in a peaceful manner. We do not wish to see anyone hurt, but it is necessary to show to Joe and Darrow and the rest of the world that we mean business. Money we do not understand, but have lots of it. As the two Russians knew this when they discovered we were transferring money to different bank locations. These are desperate times. We have to take these severe measures. If we don't show other countries that we are in control and have order, we will surely attack. Joe does not understand this, and we will be making drop-offs every day after 5 p.m. till Donald and Joe and the Republicans and Democrats give in. I am done fooling around. This is the order of Cicada.